Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how bread is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
To achieve the perfect texture, the mixture is precisely balanced, a critical step for ensuring consistent quality.
The hydration levels are spiking slightly above threshold.
Noted. Rerouting coolant flow to stabilize temperature and mix.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how bread is made. Rennet Veggian, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.